Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. If you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how you can start marketing online right now, even without any kind of ad budget to start with. So if this is your first time watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. If you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. A lot of people right now have the desire to start making money online, especially during a time like we're in right now. But a lot of people think that they have to have money up front in order to start marketing online. And while that is true, it shouldn't be used as an excuse to not start marketing online. But I'll come to that in more detail later on in this video. A lot of people that do get started in marketing online feel like they have to have it all figured out. In other words, they overcomplicate the whole process. They feel like they have to learn everything up front. I remember back in the very beginning when I got started with my very first affiliate marketing business opportunity, I was given the 30,000-foot view of what this industry looks like and the different strategies and tactics that different marketers use. And I got pretty intimidated. I felt like I needed to learn everything up front, but because I got into that way of thinking, it caused me to not take any action. Which leads me to the next point, in that people convince themselves up front before they take any kind of action, they convince themselves that it's too much work. When they get that 30,000-foot view of what this business, what this industry looks like, and what kind of work they have to do to be successful, they get intimidated. They overcomplicate the whole process and they feel like it's just too much work to do. Or let's say it's those things, and it's not those things too, but also with marketing online, people get started, they invest their hard-earned money in whatever business opportunity that they're promoting, and they don't get the how to do the marketing. They're only shown more of the what rather than the how. There's nobody over the shoulder that's really showing them how to start marketing online. They get more of like what they need to do, the what. Now, when I say that, it really saddens me when I hear people that invest thousands upon thousands of dollars into whatever business opportunity that they want to market online. And they invest into thousands and thousands of dollars into these coaching and mentorship programs that are out there, but they don't get the value of what was promised, and they're not shown how to do the marketing. So you'll want to pay close attention to what I'm going to be saying here over these next few minutes, because you may want to actually get a pen and a piece of paper out, because this will be good to write down and for you to remember. So I'll give you a few moments to do that. You got a pen and paper out? Awesome. So the first thing that you want to do in order to start marketing online without any kind of ad budget, you want to make sure that you get positioned in whatever business opportunity that you're promoting. It would make no sense at all to start marketing online and then you're not positioned to earn the maximum possible. I'll illustrate an example. Let's say that your business opportunity, when somebody goes all in, you have the potential to earn $12,000 from that all-in sale alone if they buy all the products and they get positioned at all the different various levels in the compensation plan. So let's just pretend, just as a made-up example, but to illustrate an important point here. And let's say you're only positioned to earn at the maximum only $2,000. So if you start marketing online and you close a sale that upgrades and you're not positioned, you may have earned the $2,000 that you were positioned to earn, but you just lost out on 10 grand. 10 grand in which you could have easily earned had you been positioned. So the first thing that you want to do when it comes to start marketing online is you want to get positioned all the way at the top to earn the maximum possible as soon as possible. When you get started in marketing online, it's really important that you do that as the first step, because if you don't, then you basically risk the potential of losing out on potential commissions. And that's very important to take note of. The next thing that you'll want to do is you want to take some time to read books. And I'm not just talking about any kind of books. I'm talking about the books that will help you lay the foundation with your mindset and also lay the foundation of what to expect in this industry and how this industry works. So I'll recommend a book to you right now. And you may actually want to write the title of this one down. So this right here is How to Get Super Rich in the Opportunity Market by TJ Rollader. I finished this book probably sometime last year, and it's an exceptional book. Every marketer that is interested in marketing online over the long term needs to read this book, because this basically lays the foundation of what marketing looks like from the 30,000 foot view and how marketing works. So it's these books like that you'll want to take some time to read, learn, and apply what you have learned in those books. And then another thing is you want to also attend the trainings. Whatever trainings in whatever business opportunity that you're promoting, or whatever trainings your upline is doing, be sure to attend those, because those can be valuable for you to invest in building your skill sets. Remember, being in this industry is all about building skill sets and generating results. It's not about making sales or just making money. It's about building skill sets. And with attending these trainings, you'll benefit from taking the time to invest your time into attending those trainings. Because I know from my own experiences, from attending all the trainings that I have been attending, they've all added value to my life and have given me even that much more clarity on what to focus on with my marketing. And then the last thing that you'll want to do is you want to take some time to learn and master one form of free traffic. Now, if you're hearing the word traffic for the first time, if you have no clue what traffic is, basically, whatever business opportunity that you're promoting, part of it is driving traffic, and you have to know where to get the traffic from. Well, what are some good traffic sources to go ahead and get leads from and potentially close sales? Well, with free marketing, there's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's Instagram. There's all these different platforms out there in which you can leverage free marketing right now. Now, that isn't to say I am no way saying that you don't want to have any kind of paid advertising budget ever. Okay? I'm going to keep it real and transparent with you. You don't just want to rely on just free marketing alone. You got to have paid marketing too. But if you can't afford to do paid advertising, paid marketing right now, that is okay. In the meantime, what you'll want to do is you'll just want to find a way to just get started in marketing, especially if you're positioned in whatever business opportunity that you're promoting. Because while it may not be immediate, you can generate results with free marketing, but it will just take some time to not only learn, but to also apply consistently. So to recap, you'll want to get positioned in whatever business opportunity that you're promoting. Get positioned to earn the maximum possible. You'll want to read books that are going to help with your mindset and lay the foundation of how this industry works, how marketing works. I just recommended a book to you called How to Get Super Rich in the Opportunity Market by TJ Rollader. I highly recommend that you start reading that book if you are interested in being in this industry over the long term. You'll also want to attend trainings that your business opportunity has, and also trainings that your upline has if they're doing one. And then the last thing that you'll want to do is you want to learn and master one form of free traffic. You do those three things, you can get started marketing online even without a paid advertising budget upfront. And the great thing about doing this is when you do get paid advertising budget, like when you do have a paid advertising budget to go ahead and invest in, now you'll be creating what is called leverage. And that's what being in this industry is all about, is creating leverage for yourself. So with that said, I trust that you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you're curious to know how you can get started in marketing online right now without any kind of paid advertising budget upfront, pay close attention to what I'm going to say here in the next couple minutes, whether you're watching this from the Facebook Live or you're watching this from the YouTube video. So in one of the business opportunities that I'm promoting, there's a course in that opportunity which shows you how you can leverage Facebook and start building your business using your Facebook profile without having to pay for any kind of paid advertising upfront. If that's something that you are very interested in, here's what I want you to do. If you're watching this from the Facebook Live, either to the right of this video or down below this video, comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to inbox you all the details privately on Messenger. If you're watching this from YouTube, here's what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below this video for my #1 recommendation for mindset transformation. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best name and email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so you can get access to that Facebook course that I just mentioned just a moment ago. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by and watch this video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, wherever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.